Welcome, Talent Scouts. In this video, I'll walk you through everything you need to know about recruiting content creators for our dating site platform. Think of this like Facebook monetization, but instead of likes and views on a social feed, our creators earn directly through their dating profiles. It's also similar to OnlyFans, but more subtle, lifestyle-based, and focused on authentic connection. Who we are looking for our ideal content creators are women ages 30 to 60. They don't need to be professional models. What matters is natural charm, personality, and good quality content. The goal is to make profiles feel authentic, engaging, and attractive for viewers. The audition process. When you approach a prospect, explain that every creator must first pass an audition. Here's what they need to submit: 10 high-quality photos, clear, good lighting, at least some lifestyle shots, their social media links to verify online presence, their age. Once the audition materials are reviewed and approved, we'll register them on the platform. After passing the audition, the creator will need to submit their full content package for registration. This includes 80 photos total, a mix of selfies, whole body shots, and both casual and slightly sexy looks. It doesn't have to be explicit, just confident and appealing. 20 videos, each at least 20 seconds long. These can be lifestyle clips, fun short talks, or playful moments. A valid government ID. A short video registration clip holding their ID for verification. Why do we need the ID? Because we pay internationally, and it's important to confirm both age and nationality for legal and security reasons. Now let's talk about earnings. Once a creator is fully registered and approved, here's what they and you can expect. You, the Talent Scout, will receive a $50 registration bonus for every girl you successfully onboard, paid just 3 days after approval. The creator will earn 10% of her monthly income share plus commissions on gifts she receives from fans. This is a recurring income stream, so the more engaged and active the creator, the higher the potential earnings. It's also important that creators stay active. They need to submit weekly lifestyle content, new photos or videos, to keep their profile fresh, active, and attractive. Consistency is key to maximizing both engagement and earnings. So, Scouts, your role is simple. Explain the process clearly, support your prospects in preparing their audition, and encourage them to stay active once approved. This is an exciting opportunity for women aged 30 to 60 to share their lifestyle, connect with people worldwide, and earn real income while doing it. Remember, once everything is submitted and verified, you get paid your $50 bonus, and the creator starts earning monthly shares and commissions. Everyone wins. Let's get started recruiting today.